Most creators will tell you that building a luxury 3D animated website like this costs thousands of dollars and requires expensive paid subscriptions. Today, I'm showing you the exact step-by-step workflow to build this entire 3D website using AI, completely free, without paying a single dollar. Do not skip a single second because every step connects the whole puzzle. Let's build it. If you want to master modern AI web design, you can't just generate random clip and hope they stick together. You need a structured cinematic storyline. For our luxury construction brand, Neo Engineering, we're designing a 5-scene narrative. 1. An excavator digging and dumping earth at dusk. 2. The soil transforming into glowing golden sand, filling an hourglass. 3. The hourglass flipping 180 degrees and locking into a stone vault door. 4. The door opening into a high-speed portal dive. 5. And a rapid construction time-lapse revealing finished luxury estates. To turn this idea into bulletproof prompts without paying for premium prompt tools, open Google AI Studio and select Gemini 3.7 Flash. It's completely free, fast, and understands visual kinematics. Tell the AI your exact story in plain English and ask it to split your idea into 5 distinct scenes, giving you paired start frame and end frame image prompts plus motion prompts for each transition. This guarantees our video stays 100% consistent from start to finish. Now we need 10 images, 1 start frame and 1 end frame for each of our 5 scenes. This is the secret to AI character consistency and mechanical accuracy. Head over to Meta AI and use their Muse image model. It's one of the best free AI image generators available right now, especially for photorealistic architectural textures and metallic lighting. Paste your prompts pair by pair. Notice how we kept the excavator in vibrant industrial yellow with glowing headlights against a dark, moody navy villa. That high figure ground contrast is what gives us that jaw-dropping 3D website depth later when we layer live text behind the machine. If you want alternatives, you can also use Qwen AI, ChatGPT Image, or the free tools inside Google Flow. Download all 10 images to your local project folder. Next, we turn our static keyframes into smooth motion using a free AI video generator. Today, we're using Vibes AI by Meta. Log in with your Meta account, hit Create New, and select the Start and End Frame option. Upload your start frame into slot 1 and your end frame into slot 2. Now, paste the exact animation prompt we generated with Gemini. Under Advanced Settings, pick your preferred resolution. 720p works great for web performance. Vibes AI will generate 4 variations using native frame interpolation. Pick the cleanest take with natural gravity and hydraulic weight, then download it. Repeat this process for all 5 scenes: the excavation, the sand vortex, the hourglass flip, the portal dive, and the time-lapse reveal. By using keyframe pairs, the AI video generator won't hallucinate or drift off camera. To make this scrub like butter on our live website, we need to merge all 5 clips into a single master video file. Open CapCut or any free editor. Drag all 5 clips onto your timeline in chronological order. Add a tiny 2-second cross dissolve between the clips to smooth out the cut, and use a white exposure flash during the portal dive. Export this file as vid.mp4 at 1080p 60 frames per second. Having one continuous 25-second video file allows our web browser to scrub forward and backwards seamlessly without buffering or black frame flashes between sections. Quick check: if you're getting pure value from this free workflow, drop a comment saying "Flay" down below. It helps the channel bring you more elite, no-cost design workflows. Now comes the genius step. We need our AI coding assistant to understand the exact visual timing of our video so it knows when to trigger the 3D text, the telemetry HUDs, and the cards. Premium tools like Claude Code have built-in vision, but if you're using free models, here is the ultimate workaround. Upload your vid.mp4 to Google Drive, set the share permission to public, and copy the link. Then open Arena AI. Give Arena AI the drive link and ask it to use FFmpeg to extract every second of the video into a single high-resolution contact sheet image showing timestamps from 0 seconds to 25 seconds. Download that summary image. You now have a complete visual storyboard that any free multimodal AI can inspect with precision. Now let's build the website. You can use Qwen 3.8 Max, Arena AI, or zero-install browser agents like FreeBuff and ZAI, all completely free. Upload your frame-by-frame storyboard image and paste our master visual specification prompt. We direct the AI to act as a senior creative technologist and construct a standalone index.html file using pure vanilla JavaScript and hardware-accelerated CSS. Watch how the AI constructs the architecture. 1. It creates a dual-layer depth sandwich. The base video plays at the back. The massive NEO title sits in the middle with a dual-tone metallic gradient, and a lightweight frame mirror canvas masks the excavator on top. 2. It binds the video's playback to a 600 VH scroll track with smooth lerp damping. 3. It syncs the telemetry HUDs during the subterranean scene, triggers a white exposure burst on the portal dive, and brings in a 3D cylindrical card carousel with real-time mouse tilt physics over the completed estate. Save the code as index.html in the same folder as vid.mp4, launch it with live server, and look at that result. That is award-winning, agency-grade design built with 0 subscriptions. You just built an awards tier 3D scroll experience from scratch using nothing but free AI models and smart engineering. I've placed the complete copy-paste master prompt, asset templates, and source files in the description below so you can deploy this for your own portfolio or client projects right away. If you love this masterclass, hit that like button, subscribe for more bleeding-edge web tutorials, and join our Patreon community for exclusive project drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next build.